Welcome to Meg's Minutes with Meg Elphick and Liberty Horseboxes, the series where I'm going to be helping you to keep your lorry running smoothly and getting it competition ready. Today I'm going to be showing you my travel grooming kit, which has all of my essentials when I get to a show. So it's not very big because I only pack things I know I'm 100% going to need when I get to a show. On top I have my stud kit. That'll be the first thing I do when I arrive. We've then got my sprays, so perfect plaits if anything has gotten loose whilst traveling. Quickly spray this on, fix my plaits up. To go with that, I always take plaiting bands, obviously in the right colour for the horse I'm taking. We've then got fly spray, an absolute essential when we're competing in the summer. I've also got some boot polish just to make sure they're super shiny before I go up the centre line. Then we've got, obviously, grooming kit. We've got brushes, normally just body brushes. This I use for massaging them before I get on, making sure they're feeling nice and supple. Hoof pick, hoof oil brush, and to go with that there should be hoof oil. Then I've got a lot of grey horses, so purple shampoo always comes with me in case I need to get rid of some stains. Last thing before I get on is normally the gloss, which has to go with a little rag there just to put on their muzzle and over their eyes. Mane and tail brush in case that tail's got a knotty. Always have a pair of scissors, and then the item that a lot of people forget is the stitch unpicker. Once I've finished my show jumping, I can quickly take my plaits out before going cross country. And that is my travel grooming kit.